The topic of today's video is how to connect Bullx to Phantom Wallet. Now keep in mind, we're only connecting it as a withdrawal wallet as that is the only way that I know of at the moment. So what you want to do is you want to go to the left and you want to click on Wallet Manager right over here. Alright, so now what we want to do is go to Add Wallet on the withdrawal side and choose Solana or Tron. We're going to go with Solana and then enter a name for your withdrawal wallet. And then we need to go and get our Solana wallet address. So go to your Phantom wallet over here and just click on Receive. And then we want to copy our Solana wallet address and then just paste it into the section here and click on Add Wallet. And there you go. You now have a Phantom Wallet Solana wallet address connected. And again, that is only a withdrawal wallet. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.